This is a pit stop for me in the airport. It is a stop along the way for you who are studying the SAT math. And I'd like to go over some aspects of grid-ins. You know the grid-ins, they're the ones that appear at the end of both Section 3 and Section 4. The rules, you've got 4 and only 4 spaces, the middle two of which could be decimal point or fraction, and thus you're looking at most, a 4-digit number. You're looking at one that has a cleanly divisible, without any extra remainder, fraction, or a clean decimal without any extras that go off the board. In other words, SAT's correct answers can only be ones that precisely fit the 4 places that you have. And here comes a strategy. If your calculations don't leave you with a precise amount, whether fraction or decimal, in 4 places, it's wrong. Do your calculations again. This is arresting you in a good way to keep you from a wrong answer. Other things that should arrest you and keep you from getting it wrong. 4 places can never be filled with a 5-digit number. You calculate 12,000 as your answer. Maybe the answer was 1,000 and you forgot to divide by 12 months. Possible. What else could be wrong? A negative number. Never is right. There's no place to put the negative. A square root. Square root 2, you can't put in, and you know that that goes on forever, which means the SAT will never ask for a completed stage like that. The SAT will never let pi be a right number or anything attached to pi, because 23 pi goes on forever. And once again, the SAT needs an answer choice that can be cleanly cut off and still be right. Occasionally, I think I've seen it 3 times in 7 years. 3. They will say approximately in the question. So now your grid-in could be an answer that does go on forever. They use the word approximate to allow you to put something in that's cut off after those places. You decide, could this be grid-in? 1 over 125. You decide, could this be grid-in? 1 over 0.9. You decide, could this be grid-in? 2 root 2. And finally, you decide, could this be grid-in? Square root of 121. Email us if you'd like answers and are not sure. I'm Mark Greenstein for all the teachers here at Ivy Bell.